Oh, sorry, it's nothing. It's just you're missing two.
What time is it?
I came downstairs late and we finished eating breakfast. Now we're gonna go to Rome. Rome!
It's my weekly Rome.
We're gonna go board the bus and have a 4-hour drive to Rome. Elena, we're leaving! It's so pretty!
Honestly, I'm excited for Rome though.
Yeah, me too. Elena. Hi. It's actually so nice. Okay, see you there.
Just absolutely gorgeous. Up and down.
We stopped at this restaurant to eat lunch. I'm with Chloe. The things look kind of bad. I don't know if I'm gonna get anything. We've been in line for like 30 minutes, guys. Literally. Hi, vlog! Hi, vlog! Hi, vlog!
2,000 years later.
Yeah, I folded it up.
Whoa.
Your whole life.
You have to know that Rome at the beginning was just a little village. There are these kind of underground cemeteries where a lot of...
We're in Rome! Oh, but it's raining a lot. Right now we're at the Colosseum. But it's like raining a lot. Dude, did you hear that thunder? Oh my gosh.
A few inches later.
Hello guys. We're in the Colosseum. We're waiting in line, but I don't know for what. No, but it looks so pretty. Move your head. It looks so pretty. Guys, it's actually beautiful. What the fuck? Wait. I think I'm better. I think I'm better. Elena. Move. We're going out. What does it feel? How does it feel?
Huh?
How does it feel?
To do what?
To go to the Colosseum?
I don't know.
How does it feel?
I don't know. What thing?
Can you get out of our video? Do you see me? He just assaulted me.
I'm like babysitting.
Oh, sorry, it's nothing. It's just you're missing two.
Oh.
You know what? There's some ups to it. At least if you go to a movie theater and you buy the children one, they'll believe you.
What? Why the children on what?
Like in the movies, you know how there's like children's tickets? You could totally get one and they believe you, like 100%. You'd be like, oh, my teeth are still growing in.
I'm babysitting. What did you say?
If you get a both bar on Wednesdays, you'll get 2 discounts because you're a student and a student.
Get out of my way, guys. I'm trying to see you. What the fuck? Freak you guys, bro. Oh, it's so pretty. Are you serious right now? Are you serious? So pretty.
Cause I just wanna go big. So I want to believe in you.
Shelter. It's raining so much.
The phone? Or the oh.
Hey vlog. It's like we're at this like castle. It's so pretty. I said this like literally 7,000 times on this trip.
A few moments later.
Umbrella.
€5 consider for €5. €5? Are you
sure?
Really?
Okay, $2. Hold it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
So nice.
Got one.
We're going back, I think, after our free time. Our 20-something free time. 20-something minute free time.
25 minutes.
25-minute free time. Yay!
Let's go.
So pretty. Look at the freaking building. Where's Gary? We got
The gray one?
No, he's the one with the sunglasses.
the black.
It's in there.
I got a mug.
Oh, yay!
But I got a mug.
Yay! Oh, wait, I should have gotten a mug. Yeah, same. Our feet are
Oh my god. When I sit down into that seat, that's gonna be that's the sound I'm gonna let out. This is how I'm gonna.
It's gonna sound like you're shitting.
Yeah.